Hi, and welcome to my first video in Scratch. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make a player move. So first of all, go to Events, grab a when flag clicked, go to Control, grab a forever loop, then grab a if statement, go to Sensing, grab a key space pressed, and just do it to whatever you want. I'm just going to go with up arrow. And then go to motion and change Y by 10. So this right here is whenever you have to click for it to go up. So if you put in something else in this, do not press up arrow. Press whatever you put in here. If you put in the same thing, just press up arrow, and then it'll go up. So this is how fast it goes and how much it's going to go up. If you just hold it down, it'll just go a certain amount of speed of 10. So let's just test it out. If you just change this to 0, then you change it to 10, that's how much it'll go up. So if you change it more, then it'll go up even more. This is how fast it's going. So you have to make it go down and sideways. So right now, it goes up, but it does not go down or sideways. So let's just do that. So go to Control, grab a if statement, go to Sensing, grab a if key down arrow, just press, then change Y by negative 10. So this makes it go down. It's negative because negative is down, and if it has a Y, Y is up and down. So if it's not negative, it goes up. If it is negative, it goes down. So we still have to let's just test it out. It works, so we still have to make it go sideways. So go to Control, grab a if statement, go to Sensing, grab a if key space pressed, then change, go to motion, grab a change X. Oh, instead of space, it's right arrow. Then change X by 10. So X is this way and this way. This way is right. So it has to be not negative to go this way. So if it isn't negative, like right now, it'll go right. If it is negative, it'll go left. So let's make it so it's negative. You can just duplicate this and put it in. And instead of right arrow, you do left arrow. Instead of change X by 10, you change X by negative 10. So this is X, so negative is left and positive is right. So let's just test it. It works. So this is it for my video. Make sure to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And feel free to ask questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have fun coding.